Welcome guys, welcome to our channel BD Brothers Production. This is Abhishek and here is meet my bro Devojyoti.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel BD Brothers Production. My name is Devojyoti Das. Today I am going to show you about an unboxing for our new gadget that we are going to use it for our next vlogs or any short films. So today I'm gonna show you that.
Today in this video we are going to unbox the tripod. So watch it, okay? And don't forget to hit the like and the subscribers, okay? We need your support, as I told you before also.
Just recently I got this package. You can see it's Flipkart delivery, and inside it is a stand. It's a camera or phone stand, and I just buy it for some videos so that we can shoot it goodly and wellly. I hope you will like this video, and please those who didn't like, subscribe or share our channel, please like, subscribe our channel. Okay, let's go ahead for the unboxing. So here is the parcel that I'm going to unbox it by this small knife. It's not, so it's, you can see it's rust, but still it can be used. So the parcel is saying that it is having a tripod 31110000116. Mizar tripod, portable, adjustable, aluminum, lightweight. So let's check it out. So hi guys, so I'm unboxing my new tripod. Let's see what is inside it. So here is the main delivery paper, as you can see. Now let's check it inside. What is there inside? Oh, the packaging is so good and steady enough. Now, let's check it out. As you can see, it's wrapped well, and the name of the product is Tripod 3110. It is telling that it's 3-way head, built-in level, 4-sec aluminum legs, as you can see, and next is quick lever lock. So let's do it. I love to do unwrapped and unboxing. Yeah. What is this? I don't know why Flipkart just use this in wrapping. I don't know. So as you can see, here is the picture of the tripod. It looks nice, and here, can you see it? Yeah. Oh, company is disturbing on my mom's phone. So bad. Let's do it. Oh my goodness, the wrap packaging is so good. Can you see it? What just came out? Okay, so it's just a holder. Okay, so here is the bag. Here is the bag, and the tripod is coming out. See, the bag is not so bad. Even I can use it so well. Okay, we can even tie this up like this. So according to me, it's a good packaging setup. It's looking like a telescope. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Can you see it? Can you see it? Here is a level bubble tube. Can you see it? the bubble tube. It's for the leveling, to check the level up. So nice one according. Let's see how much it can go up. So how it gonna open? Okay, let me check. Let me check it. Okay, here is some screws to release it. Okay, it can be released like this. Okay, so next. Okay, it is released now. Now it can. That is the max height. That is the max height. Just. Oh, no. It can go more than that. So truly saying, I'm loving it. I'm just loving it. My goodness. Is that a joke? Oh my god. It's so long. I can easily shoot it in hilly areas or to shoot it for a movie. I don't need a 4K cam or extra anything. So I'm loving it. So just let's tight this thing up. Thanks for watching this video. I think you love to see the tripod. Okay, I'm giving the link from where you should buy. You can check it in description of YouTube channel. Once again, please, those people who didn't like us, please like, subscribe, share and comment in our channel, cause there are so many things that is coming in our YouTube channel. So first of all, there is a short film is coming soon, near about on next week, and there are 3 vlogs are coming. One in Assam, one in Siliguri 7 Kingdom Water Park, and next is Assam Water Park, that is so popular in India and so famous and so beautiful, cause there is beside hills. Next, music album is coming. The main thing is vlog is coming. That is, I'm saying that will be so nice, cause that will be a Goa vlog on December. So please stay tuned. Subscribe our channel so that you can watch it after when we release it, and please press the bell icon. Don't forget that. Okay, so it's BD Brothers production. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like it, share it.